this is a quick demonstration of how easy it is to customize and change the sort order for a micro application within Buzzy. So we start off with a blank buzz over here, and to speed things along, we're just going to use one of the out-of-the-box micro apps, but you could create your own micro app from scratch. So I'll just use the to-do list, and we're going to be able to add this. This currently defaults this to-do list, and it adds new items, and these items are based on the date that they were submitted. So I'll just add another task in here, and so on. So you could change it to order on alphabetical or due date or some other factor. But let's say we wanted to control a custom order. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into the micro app properties, and we're going to go to the fields list, and we're going to add a new field over here, which is a number field, and we'll see that at the end of there, and we'll just call it order. We'll also set it to auto increment, so it'll automatically add the next integer in the list, and we'll just set it to collapse so it's hidden, so the users don't see it on the first screen. So we'll click done over here. I do need to just quickly set up, so there we've got the new order field, so I'll just default these existing ones over here to a number, and now that allows us to add in another task. Now when we add another task in, we'll see that order field over there is auto incremented to number 3. I'll put it here, another task. Okay, and we'll just add that. So that'll be on the list. So at the moment we haven't changed the sort order. So again, if we come back into our properties for this micro app, we look at the results over here. It defaults to the submitted date. What we'll do is we'll change this to the order field. Now at the moment they're going to be exactly the same. So we could obviously change that to ascending or descending. But if I wanted to add another task, and if you remember that this is, order 1, 2, 3, again, we could show it over here on the first screen if we wanted to. We've chosen not to. But I'll add a new task, and I'll add it in between these two. So what I'll do is I'll give it a 2-point-something order. So we'll add a new task, and I'll just call this squeeze me in. And we'll give it, it's auto incremented the order to 4, but we'll give it a 2.5. And what we'll see over here is now that is in between another task and yet another task, because that had an order of 2 and that had an order of 3. I can actually just show this just to illustrate the point. So if I go back to the fields over here, I can make that number order always visible on the first screen, and then we'll see that. So that will make a bit more sense of that. But you might not want to show that order field there to your users. That's as easy as it is. Have fun with it.